From the earliest days of human history, the need for shelter has been essential for survival. But when did our ancestors first begin building their own homes? The earliest evidence for built shelter appears to have been constructed by Homo heidelbergensis, who lived in Europe between around 800,000 BCE and 200,000 BCE. Anthropologists are uncertain whether these were ancestors of Homo sapiens, currently known as humans, or Homo neanderthals, or both. At the French site of Terra Amida, which dates back around 400,000 years, archaeologists have found what they believe to be the foundations of large oval huts. One of these shows evidence of fire in a hearth, although other archaeologists postulate that natural processes could be responsible. Archaeology on sites from hundreds of thousands of years ago is complicated. Claims of the discovery of built shelters in Japan more than 500,000 years ago were discredited in 2000. In fact, all evidence for humans in Japan before 35,000 years ago is currently questionable. We do know that our ancestors spent time in caves for hundreds of thousands of years. But caves are only found in certain areas. Whether they started building 100,000 or 400,000 years ago, their ability to create shelters close to food, water, and other resources provided our ancestors with protection against the elements and dangerous animals. Living close to work also gave them more time to experiment with different ways of doing things, in other words, time to invent.